Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Crispy Morph feature within Crispy Stix. This is an elite feature and very important. Why? Maybe you know, maybe you don't know, I'm not sure. But Etsy, the best and the most successful Etsy sellers are the ones that make customizable products. And this is no exception when it comes to stickers. People want memorabilia, people want images or items and products that are attached to them emotionally. Okay, so here's an image of me and my son a couple years ago, and I turned it into this. Okay, a watercolor type of sticker. Okay, now how did I do this? Very simple. You want to go to Crispy Stix, go to Morph if you're an elite user. Okay, very simple. You're gonna browse files. You're gonna find the image you want to change, and then you have several different types of art styles. Let's go with pixel art, and then you're gonna click generate like that. Okay, generate, and give it a little moment. Give it some time while it creates your sticker for you. And there we have it. We have our sticker. Really cool 8-bit stop type of video game graphic sticker. It has an outline ready to go. You can sell it at it as is, or you can put some text under here. So for now, I'm just gonna put it into my gallery. So you just gotta click add to gallery, just like that. And now when I go to gallery, where is gallery here? This is your gallery. I got my watercolor here. I got my pixel here. Very simple. You know the rest, right? You've seen the video already, but very simple. Go to edit. You add some text, father and son. You can put it down here. Just add some text like this. Add text, father and son. You can put it outside of the sticker or within the sticker. I'm going to take it right here. I'm going to move it here. I'm going to move it around like that. You can curve it if you want. That's perfectly fine. I'm gonna blow up the outline thickness like that, and I'm going to click save. Okay, just like that. And now I can just apply outline. Okay, you want to apply outline so that now it's connected to the actual sticker. Really cool, really easy. And then after that, all you got to do is download and provide it to your customer. Okay, see you in the next video.